Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Remo Doorbell Camera is probably one of the most essential smart home devices you can invest in today, offering a powerful combination of security, convenience, and peace of mind right at your fingertips, allowing you to see, hear, and speak to anyone at your door from anywhere in the world using your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you never miss a visitor or a potential threat. Number 5. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell AVD 1001. See visitors from head to toe or packages on the ground with our wide 180-degree view. It ensures you never miss what's happening at your doorstep. Experience HD with HDR quality footage that captures details, even in low light. Our night vision provides a clear picture, no matter the time. Hear and speak to anyone at your door with clear two-way audio. You can also use pre-recorded messages for quick responses. Receive intelligent notifications for people, vehicles, packages, and animals directly on your phone. This allows you to react faster to events. It captures video before motion is even detected. This ensures you see everything that happens, right from the start. Easily install it yourself with existing wiring. Enjoy enhanced home security with advanced features. What we like. See everything from head to toe with its expansive 180-degree view. The HD with HDR ensures clarity in all lighting conditions. If you're looking for a comprehensive view of your doorstep and want to capture events even before they happen with Arlo Foresight, this is the one for you. What people say. The Remo Doorbell Camera offers a wide-angle lens, allowing you to see more of your porch and visitors. Installation of the Remo Doorbell Camera is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The Remo Doorbell Camera features two-way audio, enabling clear communication with visitors at your door. Number 4. EUFY Security C210 Battery Video Doorbell Kit. See every visitor in stunning 1080p HD clarity. Its advanced WDR technology ensures details are captured vividly, day or night, giving you a superior view of your doorstep. Your data stays secure with local storage and advanced encryption. Simply add a microSD card to the chime to keep your footage safely offline, ensuring your privacy. Enhance your entryway with its modern, slim design. The wire-free installation takes only minutes, making setup incredibly simple and hassle-free. Enjoy 120 days of continuous monitoring on a single charge. This provides reliable coverage and peace of mind, all without any required subscription. Invest in smart security that saves you money. This cost-effective, one-time purchase offers continuous protection without any ongoing fees or necessary subscriptions. What we like. Experience superior clarity with 1080p HD and WDR, capturing every detail day or night. Keep your data securely stored locally with no subscription fees. If you prioritize privacy-first data storage and long battery life without ongoing costs, this is a great choice. What people say. The Remo Doorbell Camera has a sleek and modern design that complements any home exterior. Installation was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes, with clear instructions provided. The video quality is excellent, offering crisp and clear footage even in low-light conditions. Number 3. EUFY Security Video Doorbell S220. Experience precise peace of mind with smart human detection and real-time alerts. You'll be informed of important activity in customizable zones. The 2K sensor and professional-grade lens deliver superior video quality. It captures every detail with clarity, day or night. Enjoy robust security with no monthly fees. Local data storage keeps your footage accessible and your costs down. With a 4:3 aspect ratio, get a head-to-toe view every time someone approaches. This ensures complete coverage without blind spots. Keep your security going with a half-year battery life or opt for continuous power via a wired connection. This offers you the flexibility to suit your lifestyle. What we like. Get crystal clear 2K video quality for superior oversight, day or night. Enjoy robust security with no monthly fees thanks to local data storage. If you want the longest battery life available and a head-to-toe view without any subscription costs, consider this option. What people say. The Remo Doorbell Camera is a great addition to any home security system. It offers clear video quality and motion detection that is highly customizable. The two-way audio feature works flawlessly, allowing for easy communication with visitors. Installation was a breeze, and the app is very user-friendly. I love that I can check in on my home from anywhere, and the night vision is surprisingly good. The design is sleek and modern, blending in well with my front door. The battery life is also impressive, lasting for several weeks on a single charge. Number 2. AOSU Wireless Doorbell Camera. Experience a 170-degree ultra-wide view that captures your entire doorstep, from head to toe. You'll never miss a visitor again with this comprehensive field of vision. Tired of irrelevant notifications? Our advanced detection technology focuses on people, ensuring you only receive alerts for actual visitors. Get timely updates with clear images of who's at your door. See every detail with stunning 2K Full HD clarity. This device provides exceptional video quality, allowing you to clearly identify visitors and their actions. When you're occupied, use preset quick replies to communicate with visitors. For added privacy or security, you can even utilize the voice changer feature. Stay connected and in control of your home security with its two-way voice function. Communicate with anyone at your door, no matter where you are. Easily integrate it with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control and instant alerts. Enhance your smart home security effortlessly. This is the ultimate solution for comprehensive home security and convenience. Protect your family, packages, and property with complete confidence. What we like. Experience stunning 2K Full HD video with an ultra-wide 170 degrees view, capturing everything from head to toe. Benefit from intelligent parcel detection to minimize false alerts. If you're looking for advanced features like a voice changer for privacy and seamless smart home integration, this doorbell camera is ideal. What people say. The Remo Doorbell Camera is a great addition to my home security system. It was easy to install and set up, and the video quality is excellent. I love that I can see who is at my door from anywhere using my smartphone. The motion detection feature is very accurate, and I appreciate that it sends alerts to my phone when it detects movement. The two-way audio is also a nice feature, allowing me to communicate with visitors even when I'm not home. Number 1. EUFY Security Floodlight Camera. It's time to enhance your home security. Add advanced surveillance, human detection, and motion alerts to your existing setup. Live stream and record in full 1080p HD. You can see exactly who's there in crisp clarity, day or night. These super bright, motion-activated floodlights deter intruders. They ensure detailed, full-color recordings even after dark. A high-volume alarm can be triggered to scare off unwanted visitors. It acts as a harsh warning for any intruders. Designed to protect your home and your wallet. Enjoy security and convenience with a one-time purchase. Built to withstand the elements, this camera provides reliable security. It offers non-stop power with existing outdoor wiring. What we like. Turn night into day with 2,500 lumen super bright motion-activated floodlights, ensuring detailed color recordings even in the dark. It also features a smart siren to deter intruders. If you want to upgrade your outdoor lighting with integrated surveillance and a powerful deterrent, this floodlight camera is the perfect solution. What people say. The Remo Doorbell Camera has a sleek and modern design that complements any home exterior. Installation was straightforward, and the app provides a user-friendly interface for managing settings and viewing live feeds. The motion detection feature is highly sensitive, alerting users to any activity at their doorstep promptly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.